Aquarium fish compatibility: which species can coexist? Title: Aquarium fish compatibility: which species can coexist? Introduction. Creating a harmonious aquatic environment in your aquarium involves carefully considering the compatibility between different fish species. While certain species thrive together, others can become aggressive or pose a threat to one another. Understanding the factors that contribute to fish compatibility is crucial for maintaining a healthy and peaceful aquarium. In this article, we will explore the key considerations that aquarists should keep in mind when choosing fish species for cohabitation. 1. Size matters. One of the fundamental factors in ensuring fish compatibility is size. It is crucial to select fish that have similar adult sizes. Keeping larger and smaller species together can lead to stress, aggression, or even predation. For instance, keeping a small neon tetra with a large Oscar cichlid might result in the tetra being seen as a potential meal. Therefore, it is advisable to group together species that share similar size categories to avoid such scenarios. 2. Temperament. The temperament of different fish species greatly influences their compatibility. Some species are naturally docile and peaceful, while others are more territorial or aggressive. Mixing species with conflicting temperaments can result in continuous stress and upheaval within the aquarium. Aquarists should research the behavior patterns of their chosen fish species beforehand to ensure they are compatible with one another. For example, keeping a territorial betta fish with delicate and timid species like guppies may lead to constant aggression and potential harm. 3. Water requirements. Aquatic species have specific water parameter requirements that need to be taken into consideration for compatibility. Parameters such as temperature, pH level, water hardness, and salinity levels can vary among species. It is essential to match fish that have similar water requirements to maintain a healthy environment for all the inhabitants. It is worth noting that certain species are more adaptable and can tolerate a wider range of water parameters. However, general compatibility in terms of water requirements should still be considered. 4. Habitat considerations. Different fish species have evolved in specific habitats and environments. Understanding the natural habitats of the fish you wish to keep is essential in creating a compatible aquarium community. Some species are more comfortable in densely planted tanks, allowing them ample hiding spots, while others prefer open spaces or rocky terrains. By selecting fish with similar habitat preferences, aquarists can provide an environment that replicates their natural surroundings, promoting overall compatibility. 5. Feeding habits. Feeding habits play a significant role in determining the compatibility of fish species. Some fish are herbivores, while others are carnivores or omnivores. It is important to choose species with similar dietary needs and feeding behaviors to avoid competition for food resources. For example, pairing bottom-dwelling fish, like catfish, with midwater or surface feeding species could lead to food scarcity and potential aggression during feeding time. By selecting fish with compatible feeding habits, aquarists can foster harmony and minimize conflicts. 6. Species-specific aggression. While some species are peaceful and sociable, others are prone to aggression, especially towards their own kind or fish with similar appearance. It is crucial to research the natural behavior and aggression levels of the species you intend to keep. Many factors can trigger aggression, including territory disputes, mating behaviors, or even resource competition. Aquarists should be cautious when housing aggressive species, ensuring they have adequate space and suitable tank mates that can withstand their temperament. 7. Gender imbalance. Certain fish species exhibit significant differences in behavior and aggression levels based on their gender. Male fish, especially during breeding seasons, can become territorial and aggressive towards other males or smaller fish in their vicinity. When choosing fish with gender-specific aggression, it is crucial to maintain an appropriate male-to-female ratio to help disperse aggression. Monitoring the behavior closely and being prepared to separate fish if aggression occurs is essential to maintaining compatibility in such cases. 8. Schooling and shoaling behavior. Many fish species exhibit schooling or shoaling behavior, which involves swimming together in a group. Keeping these species in small numbers or alone can lead to stress and behavioral issues. It is important to provide an adequate number of fish in a schooling or shoaling species to promote their natural behavior and ensure their well-being. For example, species like neon tetras or cardinal tetras should be kept in groups of at least 6 or more to thrive in the aquarium environment. 9. Breeding compatibility. If you plan to breed fish in your aquarium, it is necessary to consider their compatibility for successful reproduction. Some species have specific breeding requirements and behaviors that may not match well with other species. It is important to research the breeding habits of your chosen fish and ensure that their needs are compatible. In some cases, separate breeding tanks may be necessary to prevent aggression or predation during the reproductive process. 10. Introducing new fish. When introducing new fish into an established aquarium, it is essential to proceed with caution to maintain compatibility. Quarantine new fish before adding them to the main aquarium to prevent the introduction of diseases or parasites that could harm existing fish. Additionally, acclimating new fish slowly to the tank's water temperature and chemistry is crucial to minimize stress and promote compatibility.